Hey, what's up? It's Rick from Rick's Ribs here. I'm pretty excited to show you this. It's a new trailer build which has been built by Smokedogg Smokers, and if you're looking for a smoker, you're on the market for something like this, well, after this video, check it out. There'll be a link down below. These guys will make stuff spec for what you want, and yeah, it's such an awesome process and I've had such a good time. So that's why I want to show you exactly what's been happening behind the scenes at Rick's Ribs. Whoa! Pretty exciting. It's now 5 o'clock in the morning. Going to have a look at the barbecue and pick up a barbecue. Very early start. We are here at Smokedogg Smokers out here with Steve. Man, how you doing?
Good, bro, you?
Very well, very well. Is this it?
This is yours, yeah.
At this point I take off and leave Steve to it. And I've asked him to keep me updated.
Morning, bro. Just thought I'd keep you in the loop. I've got this one here and this one here to finish, which hopefully is about a day's work. Then I'm on yours. Stuck in next week. This here is a elbow that I use on a 500 offset smoker that I built. And here's your one. Gonna be a big girl.
For those of you who don't know, I've actually been running these two little barbecues for the last 2 years. $300 from Bunnings. The little offset part is an extra $150. So basically had two of these barbecues here. Didn't cost very much money, and that's how I started getting into it. So it's going to be quite a bit of an upgrade, I think. This looks absolutely incredible. Brushed steel, the design done by Jordan Garvin. Go and check him out. Fatalities merch on Facebook. I mean, that's my own font. This is a separate little charcoal pit which is going to sit on the front of the trailer, making it the third compartment, while these other two chambers make up the reverse flow part of the barbecue. I'm familiar with what a reverse flow barbecue is. It's when the hot air travels from the firebox underneath the meat first, hits the end, and then travels back over the top of the meat, and then usually out a chimney above the firebox. At the same time, Steve's also been building the trailer, something to haul this massive rig around. Once the barbecue is mounted on the frame, it's then suggested that we put a roof over the top to stop against the elements, and also put an awning up so it means that I'm dry while I'm cooking as well. He then goes ahead and welds in the firewood box. It's close to the chamber, so it's going to dry out that wood. And after that's done, it's off to the powder coaters. This gives you an idea of how much space I have to cook on. Say a massive thank you to Truck Norris Texas Barbecue for lending me their barbecue. And if you haven't already, go and give them a like and follow on Facebook and Instagram. So Steve's just given me a message to say it's ready. Yeah, I'm excited and nervous. So this is it. We've arrived here. Hopefully not for the last time either. So here we are. This is it. I've got to start actually selling some ribs now. Oh. What's been the funnest part that you've done on this?
Oh, I always like seeing the finished product, with a bit of shiny black and chrome. And
Well, thank you very much, sir.
welcome.
Up to me now. But if you guys are actually looking for anything to be done, Steve's your guy. You yourselves can have one of these. Not quite like that. So much guys for watching. If you enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up and comment below what you thought of the build. I also will be putting out another video of how I seasoned the barbecue and lit it up for the first time. And if you haven't tried my ribs yet, jump online to www.ricksribs.co.nz and get your fix today.